back.
Back at it again, honey.
We are back with recipe number 2, week 2 of our Rawgust challenge.
That's right.
And we are coming with you strong with a mock tuna lettuce wrap. You guys like our pants?
We got a 70s style
We
going
got
on
a
today.
little situation happening.
We got a little bit of a flair for these tuna wraps.
For these tuna wraps.
We gotta be cute for them or whatever.
We are cute today. Alright, so we have our ingredients.
Here and prep.
We have celery, dill, garlic, red bell peppers, red onions, we have cucumbers, and we have parsley. We're going to use tahini, Japanese
Furikake.
furikake.
Is that fun to say?
Yes,
Furikake.
and some sunflower seeds and a little bit of water to make our tuna consistency. Are you ready?
I am ready. Look at these cups.
They're so cute. Alright, so let's start with making our tuna base.
What do we do, P?
We are going to add the garlic into our processor.
Okay.
And then we're going to add some sunflower seeds in there too.
How many?
Girl,
You eyeballing it?
we eyeballing it today.
Tell the people, what is furikake?
Furikake is a little bit of white sesame seeds, black sesame seeds, nori, salt, kelp pepper, and that's it.
That's it. Cute.
That's what it is. That's what it is, honey. Water,
Okay.
tahini.
That looks
Let's
bomb.
go, baby. Let's go.
That looks like the healthiest tuna I ever seen.
It's gonna be the healthiest tuna you had in your whole entire existence. Baby girl, are you ready for this blender
Should we do a
dance?
blender dance? Okay, everybody, you don't even know about our blender dance.
Are you ready for this blender dance, honey?
Ready?
Let's go.
Distinct beats.
Oh, she cute.
She cute.
Mm-hmm.
Now that we've made our tuna paste, we're gonna go ahead and add the rest of the ingredients in here and pulse.
Pulse and pulse.
You wanna help me?
Yes, how should I help?
Just put it in there. girl.
Everything?
Yeah. Everything goes. Everything must go.
Everything?
Everything.
Save these ones
Yeah.
for a little snack. You know when you're making your food and you just always end up eating it way through?
That sounds like just you.
No, I can never finish like a meal because
Always eating
I
the
chop
whole
it
time.
and then I'm like, oh, that looks good. There you go, honey.
Let's do salsa. Oh my god. That looks so bomb.
Guys, it really looks like the real thing.
Oh my god.
Is it bomb?
It tastes like tuna.
Really? Fresh from
Yeah.
the sea?
Fresh from the sea.
Is it like chicken of the sea right now?
It's like chicken of the pea as in Portia.
Okay. Baby. How's that raw?
How is that raw?
How's that raw?
How is that raw? So we
People.
have tuna wraps.
You gotta turn me vegan, girl.
I know, right? Isn't it so cool?
It is cool. Once you know.
You just know. Once you know, you just
Once
know.
you in the know, you know?
You know,
Wait, this is a better cup. This is not so cuppy.
you can make it good.
This is a nice cup.
Okay, you like that one?
Look at these cups.
Okay.
I'm inappropriate.
Guys, you want to see this? It's so good. Can you see it?
Ooh, furikake. She cute or whatever. Look at them cups.
Oh my god. Who makes mock tuna wraps?
We do.
I know, right?
At least
Are you ready to
like
taste
that.
this?
These cups gonna be fire.
Fire.
We never had cups like these before. Cheers.
Oh,
Well, how do I do this?
Right? I'm just like, let's put the thing
A
down.
little wrappy wrap
Let's
situation.
get it. Yep. It's a little wrap.
Oh, let's cheers. Cheers, baby. Love you. Thanks for feeding me. Oh, tuna.
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 Tuna. Tuna.
It's a tuna for me.
It's a tuna wrap.
It's a tuna for me.
It's a raw, vegan wrap. Vegan and raw and healthy.
And yes.
And you know what it is.
What is it? Oh my god, this was so much fun making these.
It was so fun.
I hope that you guys enjoyed this recipe. Make
Right.
sure to follow Portia's Apron at wix.com for the full recipe blog. Shout out to my soup chef,
That's me.
Rosie Obella. And we will see you next time, guys.
Love ya.